tandaan po natin, is a must. Sa buhay natin, kapatid, tandaan niyo po, mga kapatid, ito. This is what we can learn from this message this morning. There is also, or there are, parts in our life, kapatid, that we must. Whether you like it or not, whether you approve it or not, we must. Ayaw mong pumunta, ayaw mong makita yung mahal mo sa buhay na nagsasuffer, but you must. Ayaw mong pumunta sa hospital para makita yung mga kamag-anakan mo, anak mo nagsasuffer, but you must. Ayaw natin na tayo makaranas ng frustration, but you must. In other words, there are many things in our life, brethren, that is happening in our life that we don't like to happen, but it must happen. It is not just an inevitable reality, but think about the divine necessity. The divine assignment. You see, kaya may mga pagkakataon sa buhay natin, ayaw natin yan. Ayaw natin, kung pupwede lang, ayaw natin. Pero kapatid, kung may purpose ang Diyos, God is what? Pinagsasama niya ang good and bad for our own good.